Welcome to our company's air conditioning filter production line. Today, we will introduce you to our advanced equipment, air conditioner for side pasting machine PLMTB4. Air conditioner for side pasting machine PLMTB4. PLMTB4 can not only reliably complete the for side bonding of the air conditioning filter, we also provide efficient production solutions, ensuring that every product meets our strict quality standards. This machine is well designed and uses advanced automation technology to precisely fit and position each filter, whether it is a small custom order or a large-scale production. By choosing our air conditioning for side laminating machine PLMTB4, you not only choose reliable production equipment, but also choose our company's rich industry experience and excellent service. We look forward to working with you to create an even better future.